What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll take you through the Lord who hid in the Manor, which is a follow-up quest to the whereabouts of the new Lord. This takes you across to Glenbright Manor, located all the way down here to the south of Hernand. And zooming it down here, when you eventually get to this location, you'll start at the front gates, you'll be kicked out of the place, you'll walk around the side, speak to a bunch of people, and then you'll sneak your way inside of the Glenbright Manor, which is where I am now. I accidentally cleared the area out, so there's that. Anyways, make your way across to the main part of the Glenbright Manor, head in here, and just upstairs to your right, you should find, right over here, a golden dagger sitting here. Now, I've picked this up as I came across and did this way earlier as part of a different quest, just did this on the side, so mine is missing, even though it says obtain the golden dagger. Then for this one over here, hidden behind this, inside of this wardrobe is a giant wheel that when opened, we can then grab the wheel, and then we can go ahead and rotate it all the way around until it eventually reaches this thing on the wall here, where we'll stop it just in the center, it'll press it in, and the door to our left will open, where we can grab the second dagger here. Once we've got two daggers, we can head in through this door over here, turn left, and this fireplace over here is where you'll be placing the one and the other just by holding out your lantern, and you'll get a prompt to hit a button or press the key to insert them in here and here. Once you've inserted both of these, you'll see that this little hidden door over here opens and we can head inside. Then inside of here, we can head downstairs, and at the bottom of this, going through here, you should find the person that we're looking for. So if you were confused, this is where they are. I did come down here previously while we were picking up some loot in a guide that I covered. So if you're coming from that a little bit confused, you already have the golden dagger and there's nothing else you need to do here. It's just a way of getting downstairs. It'd be nice if the prompt updated had you already done this optional challenge a bit earlier, but for now that's what we're working with. So we'll wait for this chat to finish. And once it has, the only thing we need to do is go ahead and make our way 200 meters to the northwest over here by Toastsmith Tannery, where we'll be speaking to someone else. So I'll make my way back out of here, I'll head across there, and speaking to a person, we can finish off this quest. But yeah, that's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.